Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport key. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. This simple process will help you replace the battery quickly and efficiently, getting your key fob working perfectly again in just a few moments. Now, carefully examine your key fob to find the small slot. It's typically located on the side, often near where you'd attach a key ring. Gently insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Remember, a light touch is key here. We want to avoid any damage to the casing. With the screwdriver in the slot, gently twist it to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting its positive and negative orientation. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's placed in the exact same direction as the one you just removed. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reattached. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Now, test your key fob's functions right away to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.